Hello. For some kids on school holidays, you might have to think about the plan B. The outdoor plans may struggle. You may need the raincoat, but not for all of us. If you're in the South Island, I think you're going to otherwise do okay. But you look at the area of cloud and wow, that's pretty dramatic. Quite a low, but this weather system, it's an open system in the sense of it's moving through. That big yellow, the active cloud is coming through, but it's just really going to give the country the glancing blow to the north and the east. And you notice down south, looking otherwise fine. You just had some high cloud to come in through. Looking at the radar, the darker red there, that's a clump moving into Auckland. Show you that in a second. But check out down south. It's not been rain everywhere. For some of us, you had a decent looking day. Imagine a day like this today, lovely looking shot down south, and down the road in Roxburgh, 22 degrees. So really, of course, pretty decent. This is the close-in of that area of rain. Yellow watch and, of course, the orange warning there, Bay of Plenty. That's going to track its way through. That will, of course, track with some further energy towards the Bay of Plenty and eastern parts of the North Island, in particular Gisborne going through the night. Heads up for that. Heads up for some strong coastal winds too. See that little swirl as the new low develops, but it's really a glancing blow. All of that clears away. There'll still be some showers over the North Island, some of the thundery tomorrow. Check out the South Island. You're otherwise fine and dry. We're looking for some rain though too. One front just dawdles its way across parts of the south and doesn't really do much. Just gives perhaps a few millimetres. Thursday's your drier day, better for the outdoor plans for the kids. 1 or 2 showers to the far south and west. Then Friday, we bring in a new front. That's got some patchy rain to western areas mainly through the course today. Quick heads up for the weekend already. Looking at Saturday, that's some fronts with that. And Sunday, just a heads up down south, there could be a cooler change, maybe a lowering snow level. But let's look at tomorrow. It looks like a bit of a spaghetti mess to start with. Spells of rain here and there. So the main rain moves through probably after about midnight. Then you've got the upper low to come through. That means showers through the day across parts of Northern. Not all the day. And I think places like Auckland, you'll probably start off dry. Then we'll bring in some showers as the wind goes into that southwest direction. But not all day. More or less, most of the steady stuff clears its way through, as I say, probably at midnight tonight. Tracking south and east, the Bay of Plenty, Central Plateau. Heads up for those gusty winds. You will have the same thing. Some showers through the day, maybe some thunder, but all tended to ease away. For Hamilton, a similar sort of thing. You've got some showers, most of those easing back by the time you get towards the end of the day. And for Tauranga as well, you will see some showers, bit of a breather. Those tended to go away, particularly as that southwest wind comes in for the end of the day. Heads up from those strong squally winds right around the centre of that low. First part of the day, East Cape, right the way down to Gisborne. You'll all see some showers slowly clearing their way away and improving for the afternoon. A similar sort of thing further west from New Plymouth right the way down to the lower north. It's a raincoat day, but a lot of this tends to clear away as the system slides through. Soggy old start for Wellington. Those southerlies tend to clear away a lot of the showers, improving particularly as you go into the course of the afternoon. Now heading to the South Island, completely different story. Nelson, Blenheim, you do see some showers, Kaikoura as well, and perhaps Westport all in the morning. Improved things, you're looking fine. Compare that to further south away from the system. Christchurch, a fine looking day. Sunshine gets you about 17 to 19 degrees. And tracking south and west, it's the same sort of thing. You're in between the weather systems, well away from that low. A little bit of early cloud, Greymouth, Hokitika, Ashburton, Timaru. You have a fine looking day. And a decent one too. A coolish start, but a lovely looking day in Queenstown. Check this out. By the afternoon, 18 degrees, 17 in Queenstown, overall in fine looking shape. And for the rest of the South Island, you're fine. Remember that one front though, I did mention that provides some showers, Milford Sound, and just the odd one to parts of Southern, but everywhere else I think you're fine. You may pick up a couple of those showers in the afternoon for Dunedin. The day starts off fine. You see that slowly working, and yes, Chatham Islands, you do pick up that wet weather as it slowly works in for the day. So that's how it's looking. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Dan. Time now for 7 Sharp to take over, and tonight you're talking body cameras in places you wouldn't expect.
Tune in, Simon.
Not quite like that, Simon. Look, you see them all around the place. You see them on your soldiers, on your police officers, and your parking wardens. But what do you reckon about having them on supermarket staff?
Yeah, this is interesting. We've got that shortly, but first,